Hi, welcome to Taste the Manna. I'm Shalini. Today I would like to share a new recipe, Kerala chicken fry. So to begin with, in a vessel, I'm adding about 500 grams of chicken and ginger garlic paste and chili chicken powder, and I've marinated it and kept it aside for about half an hour. And now I'm deep frying the chicken pieces in the oil. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the updates. Let the chicken cook well in the oil. And once they are done, just drain them out of the oil and keep it aside. Heat another pan and add about 2 spoons of oil into it. And once the oil becomes hot, I'm adding 3 sliced onion. I've used medium-sized big onions here. Wait for the onions to become translucent. Once they are done, I'm adding about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste into it. After adding the ginger garlic paste, be cautious and cook it in a low flame. And once the ginger garlic paste is cooked, I'm adding about 2 spoons of red chili powder. I've used red Kashmiri red chili powder here, and salt. Mix them thoroughly so that the raw smell and the red chili powder evaporates. Now I'm adding the grated coconut into it. And the chopped coconuts as well. Mix it thoroughly so that it becomes a perfect blend of masala. And now it is time to add the fried chicken pieces into it. After adding the chicken pieces, stir them gently so that the chicken pieces doesn't break. And transfer it to a bowl and serve hot. Now the chicken fry is ready. And thanks for watching.